Hi YouTubers, family and friends. On this vlog I went to Menomonie. It's about 30 miles away from home and had a second opinion done on a cavity or a filling that fell out twice in a couple months. So I went to my second favorite dentist and he filled it, and am confident that it will be okay now. It was just iffy because the cavity was down in the below the gum line, so it was a little bit tricky. So anyway, we stopped at a little animal park and saw wildflowers, and then we stopped at Denny's and had lunch. So I'll show you those now, and then later tomorrow we're going to head out to up north for a vacation with our little grandson, so I'll start vlogging that. Thanks for watching.